Hello and welcome to Awakening Democracy in India. Good morning children. This is going to be a very special video on this very fine Sunday. Good morning to you all. Have a nice Sunday. Have a nice day. How will you spend this Sunday today? Will you let this Sunday go as you have allowed all Sundays in the past to go it when without doing any constructive and creative activities? Or will you spend it by defining by your good work, by defining it by completing the task you have in your hand? When did you get up today? Have you done your homework? What did your teacher teach yesterday? Do you remember it? What homework was you given yesterday? Have you completed it? Do not slumber anymore. Wake up. This is not time to slumber anymore. Wake up and do your homework. First of all, get free yourself from laziness. Get free yourself from all emotional storms that are being created in your mind and heart. Just give it up. Give them up and have a peaceful mind. And open your book. Start reading a page. I give you a few tips on this particular Sunday. First of all, you should, when you get up early in the morning, do not talk to anybody. You just watch your palms. If you watch your palms at 6 a.m. in the morning, I do assure you, you will not become wise and wealthy, but you will also become very strong physically. This is my golden advice. Nobody will give you, or you must have not been given, or you might have been given. But you must remember it. Get up at 6 a.m., have a look at your palm, and then begin your day. I am sure whatever lesson you will learn, whatever homework you will do, you will succeed in it. And you will feel very happy. Everything will come to you. Whatever you desire in your life, you will get it. First of all, you must set your target. Have you set your target or not? If you are students of class 10, if you are a student of class 12, or even if you are a student of any standard, unless and until you set your target and stick to it, you cannot succeed. This is very simple fact. So first of all, you must set a target, and setting target is not the solution. You must stick to it. You must be persistent. You must persevere. You must continue. You must stick to it at least for 6 months. And once this routine is developed, this is one of the most precious gift that you have in your hand. And this gift has been created by yourself. It has not come from heaven. It has not come from anywhere else. It has been created by yourself. This is an honest advice. Children, it is very unfortunate that advice needed when needed most is least heeded. So first of all, listen to your parents, listen to your mothers, listen to your teachers, listen to your good friends, discuss them with good issues. Do not argue unnecessarily, because arguing unnecessarily does not make any sense. You must have discussion on good subjects. How does our politics work? How does our village panchayat works? How does our block panchayat works? How does our district panchayat work? How does our government work? Because we are citizens of a democracy. In a democracy, all children have right to study. In a democracy, all children have duties to perform also. Because rights and duties are complementary, are interdependent. One cannot succeed without another. So this is very important that all students should know what are their duties and what are their rights also. People say, I have been listening to people. Some people feel very proud in themselves. They say that I have been Panch or Sarpanch of this village for last 40 years. This is not the matter of great pride in it. keep on changing. Let all chiefs should change themselves after every 5 years. If you have served your panchayat as a panch for 5 years, give your post. Give another person a chance. If you have served your panchayat for 5 years, give a chance to another person to become the chief of your village. If you have served your constituency as member of legislative assembly for 5 years, give a chance to another. And even if you are not satisfied, take 2 terms. 2 terms are enough. You can prove your point by serving people two terms in your constituency. Give a chance to others so that democracy can become a floating democracy, so that democracy can become a smooth democracy. The problem with us today is we have become water in a puddle. Our democracy has become static, unmovable. It does not move. So we have to move it functioning democracy. It must move. It must flow like river Ganges. Does river Ganga stop any time? No. So why should our politics stop? Dear brothers and sisters, I tell you finally, whether you accept it or you don't accept, it is up to you. But unless and until we make our democracy a functioning democracy, smooth democracy, people realize, people give chance to everybody, how can we feel proud of our democracy? This is a very honest question. Think of it. Do not become stagnant. Let's flow. Let's prosper. Let's fly in a democracy. Thank you so much. Have a nice Sunday.